So the three men that were accused of killing Ahmaud Arbery are set to appear in federal court for the first time. They pled not guilty. This was on February 23rd of 2020. It was a huge thing. There was videos of the back of the car, from the back of the car, showing Arbery and then the men getting into an altercation and them shooting him with a shotgun. The neighbor released video. The neighbor is also involved in the case. I don't know what they'd charge him with, but he's obviously involved, and he's being charged with something. The McMichael family shot Arbery at a close range with a shotgun, and he obviously died. They were trying to conduct a citizen's arrest because they believed that he was stealing property, and there were calls. There were former cops, so they got calls, and they were part of some, neighborhood watch thing. So they were getting calls to look after Arbery and go, sort of hunt him down, not hunt him down, but look after him. And they believed he was on the loose taking stuff. Whether that's true or not, he was just running, seemingly. It's caused a lot of backlash. LeBron spoke about it. Other stars spoke about it. I believe even Trump spoke about it, saying something to the gist of, if they're guilty, they'll go to jail. So they believed Arbery was burglarizing homes in the neighborhood. Travis McMichael, Gregory McMichael, and then the neighbor William Bryan Jr. are under investigation. There was a video showing Arbery on a construction site, and there was no evidence that he ever stole from the construction site. So the day after this happened, Governor Brian Kemp, he signed a bill to repeal a Civil War era that allowed citizens arrest. So this was actually,
at the time, it was
sort of legal. It was like in a gray area, sort of. It was in a sort of a gray area, as this was, you could do citizens arrest. And I guess they understood that. They knew that, the McMichaels. And I don't know if the law would be grandfathered in. I don't know if they were in the realm of realism here. I don't know if they did things they could be doing. The son shot him with a shotgun. The father's a 64-year-old retired police officer, and said it was a case about race. It was not a case about race, and it was about self-defense. Seemingly, Arbery attacked the son, tried to grab his shotgun, and while they were wrestling for the shotgun, he shot him while they were wrestling for the shotgun. McMichael, he faces a crime of discharging a firearm during a violent crime, hate crime, and attempted kidnapping. The father is being charged with brandishing a firearm, carrying a firearm during a crime that is related to violence. Again, this is their first court appearance, federal court appearance, and they all pled not guilty. So we'll see what happens, but I don't really know what's gonna happen. We'll see. I know BLM will be on it, so